Hello, welcome to In Great Shorts. Our today's question is a JPYQ in which we have to find the remainder when 64 to the power 64 to the power 64 is divided by 7. Here, I know that a to the power m to the power n can be written as a to the power m into n. So, I can write this whole thing as 64 to the power 64 ka square. Now I have let that 64 ka square be equal to a number n. So my this quantity can be written as 64 to the power n, and 64 can be further written as 63 plus 1 to the whole power n. Now after applying the binomial theorem, I can write the whole thing as 63k plus 1. I can write this whole thing as 63k plus 1. And now if I divide this thing by 7, if I have to find the remainder after dividing it by 7, then I get that it is completely divisible by 7. So I will get remainder 0 here. And if I divide 1 over 7, then I will get remainder 1 only. So my net remainder will be only equal to 1, and your 1 will be the final answer. This was that easy. Hope you understood the question. Have a nice day.